This video will show you how to unbox your open display merchandisers. Here are the units this video can be applied to. Here are the tools required for this tutorial. Please wear gloves for added safety. First, start by removing 9 screws holding the wooden back panel. Then remove 1 screw holding the panel from the top. Carefully remove the wooden panel. Also remove only the 3 bottom screws on each side. Then move to the front of the unit and grab the wooden box by the top. Carefully tilt the box as you walk backwards to lean the box down. Please have someone assist you when moving the wooden box. Remove the plastic wrapping all around the unit. Grab the plastic covering by its corners and pull up and towards you to remove the cover. Once the unit is fully exposed, untie the strap holding the display shelves starting from the top shelf. Then, use scissors or a knife to carefully cut and remove the plastic wrappings and cardboards protecting the unit. Make sure that a manual for the unit is included inside the unit and the clear cover rolls down without an issue. Once the unit is moved to proper location, please wait 24 hours to plug in and power on the unit. The switches are located at the bottom portion of the unit. One switch is to turn on the lights and other switch is to turn on the fridge. This concludes the video on how to unbox your open display merchandisers. Thank you for watching.